Hey guys, I was just gonna do a quick video to share with you guys what I'm doing right now. I have a quick recipe for chili here. The kids wanted chili. I usually make it in the crock pot, but I didn't have time to do that today because Giovanni wants chili tonight, so you know. But right here I have my ground beef simmering with my seasonings and sauce and beef broth and kidney beans. Yum. I'll stir that up. And here I have bell pepper, onions, and carrots I'm about to put in there and let that cook for a while. This has already been simmering for probably about 30 minutes or so. So I'm gonna add the stuff in here. Again, I usually cook this in the crock pot, and I came home straight from the store, started cutting up vegetables. So we'll see how this turn out. But yeah, so yeah, I put all of my seasonings, garlic, cumin, a little cayenne pepper, chili powder, salt, pepper, and a couple of my own little seasonings, you know, and some beef broth. It's pretty good, unsalted. What else? Tomato sauce, stewed tomatoes, and that's pretty much it. It's just a really quick, easy recipe. Hopefully it turns out good. So I will come back once it's done and show you guys the finished product. Yay! Alright, so here's the finished product. Looking good. It's smelling super good in here. And I made some cornbread. Of course, it's Jiffy. Whatever, Bonnie. Jiffy. I love Jiffy. I do not make homemade cornbread. I think I did that one year for Thanksgiving, but I'm good. Not for tonight. But anyway, that's how it is. See y'all later.